In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit video in Renderforest. So what you first have to do is go to renderforest.com, okay, which is their official homepage, and then in here it will automatically over here say all your design tools in one place. And as you can see, it says start free now. Simply click on this, and then over here it will ask you what you want to create. And since we want to edit a video in Renderforest, we're gonna click video. It will take you to a few templates. You can of course scroll through them and see if there's any template that you fancy and you want to use. But if you don't, you can just go over here to the left where it says video editing. Click on it, and then it will give you a bunch of different options. So you have YouTube videos, opener animations, real estate promotion, video titles, etc, etc. So let's say you want to make a YouTube video. Simply press YouTube video or anything else, and as you can see, you'll get a few templates over here. Now, you will then have to pick a template. So as you can see, it says quick YouTube intro, YouTube channel intro, YouTube video editing toolkit, etc, etc. Now, some of them are free and some of these are premium. As you can see, they have this crown banner which says premium template once you hover over it. So you want to pick one, and let's say in this case, I'm going to pick quick YouTube intro. Simply press on it, and then you can select your kind of resolution, your aspect ratio. It can be 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. You can see how that looks like over here on the left. Now, there's also two available styles for this one. It can either be the light or the dark theme. I'm gonna go with the dark theme right now, and then you wanna press create now. Now, once you click this, it will take you inside the editor, and inside this editor over here you'll be able to add media by uploading it over here, but of course for everything you will have to sign in. So simply sign in with Google, Facebook, or with your email. It's quite easy, and then you'll be able to access your files, stock images, stock footage, and then also text to speech and different audios, and upload different things in here. You can then edit things inside Renderforest right inside your browser, and then once you're done you want to press export up here, and then you'll be able to simply export your project and your video. So I hope this video helped you out. This is how you edit videos in Renderforest, and if it did help you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.